The Rococo era emerged as a gentle response to the imposing grandeur of the Baroque period. As the storm of rigid power and faith began to dissipate, art transformed, its voice softening into a gentle whisper. Rococo art flourished in an ambiance bursting with joy, flirtation, and charming lightness. Drawing its inspiration from the splendor of 18th century France, it became a celebration of elegance and the playful subtleties of human emotion, where every brushstroke echoed a serene dance of romance. The world of Rococo is indeed a picturesque realm where pastel skies kissed rosy clouds, and courtly lovers found refuge behind delicate fans, hidden from the prying eyes of society. Rococo signifies more than just an artistic style. It embodies the zeitgeist of pleasure and luxury. Emerging in the royal salons of Paris around 1730, Rococo took its name from rocaille, reflecting its elaborate, seashell-inspired designs and ornate aesthetics. This movement shifted the focus from the weighty themes of religion to the more engaging pursuits of charm and fantasy. Rococo stood as a beacon of refinement, inviting onlookers to indulge in a world where beauty prevailed over moral rigor. It brought forth a visual delight, engaging the senses in a tapestry woven with flirtation and tenderness, beckoning one to experience art as a source of joy rather than solemnity. Historically, the backdrop for this transformation was robust. Following the death of King Louis XIV, a new era unfurled in France, a time characterized by the Age of Enlightenment, wherein the strictures of previous eras melted away. The aristocracy sought solace in art, festivities, and romantic escapades, allowing Rococo to thrive amidst indulgence and elite beauty. Unapologetically extravagant, Rococo's world was inhabited by silk gloves, powdered wigs, and shimmering gardens, a stark contrast to the plights of the impoverished. It was a celebration reserved mostly for the elite, an escape into a fantastical reality adorned with opulence and playful imagery. Rococo's essence is captured in its style, which is like visual poetry filled with sweet and playful elegance. With pastel hues that dance together, soft pinks, blues, and creams, each piece invites spectators to partake in lighthearted moments. The use of curved lines and delicate floral motifs creates dreamlike settings that whisper of romance and bewitching encounters. This art did not speak of heavens and battles. Instead, it summoned images of picnics under blossoming trees and frolics in sun-drenched meadows. Such themes are brilliantly illustrated in the works of great Rococo masters such as Watteau, Boucher, and Fragonard, whose artworks convey feelings of bliss and seductive allure, forever capturing fleeting yet vibrant human experiences. Rococo remains a testament that within the embrace of beauty, one finds a profound reflection of life's lightness and grace.